Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Harvey from Gbpusd Traders. So I'm back with another YouTube video. So in this video I will be analyzing market for you. So today I will be analyzing some few pairs with you. So without wasting any time, let's start with USD. So as you can see, USD ever since from this drop here, they've been going down like this drop here, then they started to reverse from this low here. So if you look here, you can see that USD they broke this previous low here to create a new low here, then they started to move up here. So what I'm seeing here is something like this, which is a QML pattern here. I can draw it like this, or something like this. So it's up to you on how you draw it. So this will be my QML pattern here. So what I'm anticipating now on USD is a reversal at this point here. So this will be the trade that I'll be looking for on USD on Monday. So the only thing that you can do once the market reaches this level here, you can go to smaller time frame like one hour. Then that's where you're gonna look for your entry point. So this will be the same setup here. So we just wait for them to reach this level, then you want to take them down. Let's go to 3 hour time frame. Still the same thing here. I'm looking for a set. So this is USD what we'll be looking for on Monday. So let's move on to GPY. Okay, if we look here, GPY ever since from this drop here, they failed to reach my supply here. So I'm not gonna be focusing on that supply. So if you look here, this is 2 hour time frame, still fine here. You can see we have this break low here, or break of structure here. You can see there's a break of structure here. So this is what I'll be looking for here on GPY. This is what I'll be looking for. So as you can see, GPY it made a small movement here. So if you want a counter trend, you can take a buy from this low here and take them down. But for me, on GPY on smaller time frame like 15 minutes here, what I saw after the break of structure here is that there's another QML here. So the same thing here that is happening on USD, the QML pattern here. So this will be what I'll be waiting for on GPY. But if they give me a suitable buy here on the low, on this low here, if they come to this level here and then they give me a beautiful low, then this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a buy and a sell at the same time. So mean that I'll buy, then once they reach my QML level here, then what I'm going to do is sell them. So this will be what I'll be looking for on this pair. I'll be looking for a buy first. If they come to this level here and then they make something like this, so this is my kind of pattern that I'll be looking for on GPY. This 15 minutes time frame here, you can see this is what I'll be looking for on this pair here. So let's move to AUD USD. Okay, let's see AUD. Okay, if you watched the last week video, you will know that on AUD USD I'm still looking for a buy. So I told you about the drop. I told you about this drop here. told you about this drop, that AUDUSD has to drop to this level here. So if you had a beautiful entry point here, you could have taken the sell down here, but for me, I'm waiting for them to reach this level here. Then once they reach this level, then I'm gonna look for a pattern, then I'm gonna buy them here. This 1 hour, at 1 hour time frame, you can go to 30 minutes for your entry point. That's up to you. Whichever time frame that is suitable for you, you can trade it, as long as they give you the pattern once they reach that level there. So for me here, I'm waiting for something like a W, head and shoulder, whatever they can give me here, then I'm going to take them out. So the same setup from last week still applies here, because they didn't reach this level by end of the week. So we're going to see on Monday what happens here. Then we're going to buy this pair. If they respect our rules, then they go up, and then they give us the rejection movement, then we're going to take the buy. So let's move to AUDUSD. This AUDUSD. We go to 2 hour time frame on this one. Let me zoom it out so you can see. Apart from this drop here, GBPUSD has been going up and down, but they're in a downtrend here. They're in a downtrend. They're in a downtrend here. They're just making lower highs, breaking the lower lows, making lower highs, breaking the lower lows. So what I'm waiting for on GBPUSD is for them to reach this level here. So I'm waiting for them to reach this level here. This is my demand zone here, and I will wait for them to reach this level here. So when the market opens, they can make something like this, a small pullback, then they come to this level. So this will be what I'm looking for. So I will see what happens when they open the market here. So this is the setup that I have on GBPUSD, something like this. Let me go to a smaller time frame, 1 hour. I have to zoom it out. Same thing here. Still waiting for what? For a buy opportunity. It might not be a long-term buy, but I'll grab more than 50 pips on this one here. So this is what I'll be looking for on GBPUSD. So this is the setup for next week. So let's look at AUDUSD. So AUDUSD is not that different from GBPUSD. They move kind of the same. As you can see, they're just making high, so lower highs, then dropping down to break the previous low. Same thing. But on this one here, this is the low that I'm waiting for them to reach. They're still in a downtrend, so I'm anticipating them to come here and start to give me a buy momentum here. So this is why the level, the demand zone that I'm waiting for them to reach, then they can give me something like a buy movement, then I'm going to take them. So for now, what you're doing, or what you should do, is to keep an eye on this one here. As you can see, they're moving something like this. So just waiting for them to reach this level here. Sorry about that. You're just waiting for them to reach this level here, then see what they're giving you. If they give you a W like this one here, then the rejection, then you can take them up. So it's up to you on whether you can put the pending order here, or you just wait for the market to reach here, then you take the trade manually. But for me, I'm going to wait for them to reach this level here. But if I see an opportunity for a sell here, if they make a pullback to this level here, then I'm going to take a sell to the downside here. If they make a movement to this level here, yes, I'm going to sell them here until they reach this level here. Then I'm going to do what? I'm going to start looking for a buy opportunity. But for now, you can wait with me, then wait for them and see on Monday if they can just make a small retracement maybe to this level, and then they reverse down. So this is what I'll be looking for on AUDUSD. So not AUDUSD, this EURUSD. I think I love AUDUSD too much. It's stuck in my head. Let's see what other pair can I analyze. Not trade, analyze. Let's try this one. Okay, this one I analyzed it during the week. As you can see, same thing here. It's more like a QML2. As you can see, this is the market pain level here, the market pain level, and then this will be the fake out zone here. Then this will be our QML supply zone here. So this is more like this. So this in this video I made a lot of QML patterns. I analyzed a lot of QML patterns in here. So this is the same thing. This is the setup. So as I say, this is the fake out level here. We're not gonna sell anything that comes. As you can see, they're just breaking, going down, breaking, going down. So we're just waiting for them to reach here, and then we go down like this. So these are the patterns that I used here. I used the QML patterns a lot in here, the demand, the supply. So that's how I trade. So yeah guys, this is all for today guys. I hope you